You're a veteran. You have great skills. You have skills in leadership, the ability to handle teamwork, skills in handling stressful situations, and you know what? Novant Health knows and appreciates that.
30 years ago, as a United States Army tank leader, I learned some vital skills like negotiation, leadership, and procurement. I use those same skills to provide leadership in supply chain, negotiating with all types of suppliers, minority, women, and veterans, to deliver on the remarkable patient experience.
My father, who is a retired Marine drill instructor, is 83 years old now. And when I think about my dad, I just think about all the wonderful things he's done for our country and for our family. I think about him as a veteran and think about the leadership skills that he had. It makes my heart warm to think about the veterans that we could attract to our organization.
Our mission, vision, and values are very similar to what you learned and lived in the U.S. military. You'll be right at home here.
One of the values I appreciated in the military was team members from all different backgrounds, cultures, walks of life, working together for a common cause. And it's the same thing you can expect at Novant Health.
When I was a senior airman in the United States Air Force, I worked with databases, created spreadsheets, provided policy guidance and interpretation, onboarded and trained new team members, and also provided remarkable customer service. And those are all things we do here at Novant Health.
One of my favorite jobs at Novant Health is to make sure every veteran receives this pin. As a mom, a wife, and a daughter of U.S. servicemen, don't be surprised if we stop you. We want to hear your story.
After a successful military career, I left the Army with an Ivy League degree and a wife in healthcare, but I even struggled. And Novant Health gets that.
I served over 5 great years in the U.S. Army as a Cavalry Scout. Immediately after, I began working at Novant Health as a public safety officer. I now work in diversity and inclusion as a specialist.
As a military wife, I was watching his career, so I knew Novant Health would be a great place to work as a registered nurse.
Novant Health is committed to being the employer of choice. And to be the employer of choice, we have to have the best talent. When I think of veterans, I think of talent.
Not only do we want to hire you, we want to keep you here. We offer mentorships, a great career development program, and a buddy system you'll appreciate. Come work for us.